Upgrading the memory in a server can significantly boost performance. And this 16GB DDR5-5600 ECC UDIMM RAM module is designed specifically for the HPE ProLiant ML30 Gen11 server. It's important to note that compatibility hinges on the installed CPU. Intel Core i3 and i5 processors within certain generations don't support ECC memory, so double-check your system's specifications before purchasing. Mixing ECC and non-ECC memory is also not recommended. This module operates at a speedy 5600 MHz, which translates to faster data access and improved overall system responsiveness. The ECC, or Error Correcting Code, feature is crucial for server environments as it detects and corrects memory errors, enhancing data integrity and system stability. This is especially important for applications where data accuracy is paramount. The module is a 288-pin ECC unbuffered DMM with a voltage of 1.1 V. It's also system-specific, ensuring optimal compatibility with the HPE ProLiant ML30 Gen11. Backed by a lifetime warranty and toll-free technical support, this memory module offers peace of mind. The product is also RoHS and halogen-free.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.